happens. Okay, so today we're gonna cook hibiscus flower taquitos. So basically, you buy this one from La Tiendita. You buy it in as a dry flower. Wait 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So you buy this one from La Tiendita, as I said, and it comes dry. And basically, you just boil it for 10 minutes, and you let it rest for 2 hours, and then you drain the water. And you keep it, because with the water, you can make water. No, but you add sugar and maybe chia seeds or something, and a little bit of lemon, and it's delicious. Yummy. It's like blood, but it's good blood. It's full of antioxidants. So you will always look beautiful, and it's also full of vitamin C. C. Okay? So then what you do, now that you got your hibiscus flower ready, perfect, delicious, then you're gonna proceed to chop your onion. So my mother-in-law, very sweetly, she gave me this because she knows not very good at. So that's another thing. I'm not a very good cook, so I love these kind of things because it's just so easy. So you put that there, and then you just go. And
so how many onions?
It's just 1 onion. Well, depends, because you can make. So this is 100 grams of Jamaica hibiscus flower, but it's basically everything is up to you. Okay, but this recipe is 1 onion, and voila! Wow. Okay, so we can wash that later, and then we're gonna finally
chop.
Sorry, the onion is making me cry. We're gonna finally chop the garlicito, ajo. So this is also Spanish class. How do you say garlic?
Garlic.
Ajo. Okay. Something is giving me coronavirus. Okay, I need to. Where's my beer? Sorry, this is not allowed on Facebook Live, but I'm drinking beer. Don't tell anyone. Shh. Okay. I think something in my throat is gone. How are you? I haven't asked. Are you okay? Is everything okay at home? Are you enjoying your lockdown? Do I have viewers or no? Can you see?
See what?
Viewers. Is someone
Yeah, you
watching?
do. Yeah, you got loads. Yeah.
Millions?
Millions.
I'm so excited. Okay. As you can see, I'm super bad at chopping things. But garlic is finally chopped. Finally.
Alright.
No, so then, okay, so this is also up to you. You can choose the selection of chilies, but today, because I feel like it, I'm just gonna use guajillo chili. And this is basically, again, from La Tiendita. It comes in like a package like this. So this is chile pasilla, like this one, but also you have chile de árbol, and this is very spicy. Okay, so I chop a little bit of this dried guajillo. Not a little bit, I don't know. What I always do is I try it first, and then I'm like, it's a little bit hot, or it's not that hot, and then I just choose. So this basically is not that hot, so I'm gonna chop it all Cuidado. We don't want blood on the streets, okay? And then you chop it in half again because yeah, because then it will become like longito, okay? And then you are gonna light your cooker. So you do medium heat. So which one is it? So this is on into medium. And we got this olive oil from our friend that is doing boxes. So this is homemade extra virgin, no?
No,
What is it?
it's extra virgin oil.
But it's homemade.
No, it's not homemade, but that's how they're packaging it.
Okay, so it's extra virgin oil from our friend Marvelous Boxes. So they are doing
Marble London.
Marble London is a
Yeah.
company that does events,
So they're doing boxes, yeah.
but now they are doing food boxes because of this situation. Okay, so we are just gonna drop a little bit, well, whatever you want, like that, and then a little bit of onion. So you want it to go crispy and golden, or how do you say, see-through? Whatever. How do you want it to be? How do you say that? See-through.
Cooked?
No, not cooked. You want it to be magical. You want it to be the best onion you ever cooked in your life.
Golden.
Golden, that's the word. Okay, and then you add the chili. Chili is the best thing in the world. Also with chilies, you can always remove the seeds if you want to make it less hot. But in Casa Ruan, we like spicy stuff. Okay, and then you stir, and then you pour the magic. Woo! And it's gonna be cooking there for 5 minutes. And I'm gonna lower the heat because this is super powerful. No, I'm gonna do first this also. You're gonna add tomatillo, also from la tiendita. Okay? So, you grab, I'm gonna do 2. Okay? Okie dokie. And then you just chop them. So it's basically green tomatoes. Beautiful. Can you see? Okay. Maybe I need more. I don't know. What do you think?
More.
So let's do I love my clock. So I'm gonna do 4 minutes. Because I think it's already been 5. Sorry, 1. So again, we need more. I'll do 2 more.
You will say more.
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 More. Okay. Woo! And then we're gonna do salt. Salecita. So I don't know how much.
Not that much. Definitely less. Yeah.
Like
yeah,
this?
yeah,
Okay. Woo! And then you stir. And and then we can put some pepper. So this is very sad. We are running out of pepper, so please send help.
Tacos.
Ah,
Yeah.
and then you can dance. Okay, then we hit the taco pan, tortilla. So you put this one in a high heat. But, okay, let's change music.
Keep stirring.
Okay, but I need to. Okay, and then we're gonna put the tortilla. So I'm gonna do 3 tacos. Also from La Tiendita. La Tiendita is in Fulham, in London, and also they send to the whole of UK and
Delivery.
Europe. Huh?
Delivery.
Yeah, delivery. They deliver. So you just throw the tortilla there. So they are just there. Okay. Keep stirring. It's just like one of the other song. I'm looking for a song I really like. Is this it? Wait, I'm gonna find it.
Oh yeah. That's it.
I think so. I don't think that's the song.
Just talk about the cooking.
I'm gonna talk about the cooking. Todos me dicen el negro llorona, negro pero. I'm singing. I have 16 seconds to sing. Wait, negro llorona, negro pero cariñoso. Okay, apparently I'm doing a very bad job. Alarm is on. So you turn that off, you turn the heat off, you turn the tortillas around. Picante, pero sabroso. Y llorona, llorona. Okay, the tortillas are warming up. And these are scars of cooking. Okay, back to normal. So now that the tortillas are done, you turn the heat down, and then you place your tortillas on the plate like that. Let's get rid of this. And let's place that there. And we're just gonna add the hibiscus. A little amount. A decent amount.
Like avocado.
Huh?
Avocado.
Yeah. That's coming. Then you get your avocado, aguacate, you cut it, you cut slices, and you place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Aguacatito. You add some of a little bit of pineapple. Yummy. And then you chop your, it should be lime, but we only have lemon. So you just pour a little bit. Yummy. And you put it on the side so it looks cool. And then salsa verde. You can make your own salsa verde, green salsa, but La Tiendita has it like this, so it's easier. And then you put some on top. Yummy. I bet you all are like, what's going on? I really want those tacos. And then you can add a little bit more of salt on top. Chuku, 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 chuku. And that's it, my friends. Enjoy your delicious hibiscus flower